Hey guys, what's up? How are you doing? I hope you're good, great, fantaberifically wondrous. Today we are going to be making 6 very simple, very quick, very woosah, very relaxing, very zen watercolor doodles. I made these for the people that have purchased my stickers, so I was throwing in an extra little piece of art with the first 15 orders of my stickers, and this is the second set of 6. So I'm at 12 so far, so there's still 3 more that you could get if you order my stickers. Check it out, link below in the description. But yeah, I got some more orders. Thanks to, let me take this moment, thanks to Jen, the lovely Jen from Mixed Media Jen. I'll link her below, but I'm sure you all know her. She bought one of my stickers and she used them to make one of her gorgeous iCads. I'll link that video below if you want to see it as well. She does the best iCads. I love them to death. And she used one of the stickers, the mushroom ones, and it generated some sales, so thank you, my love. I appreciate you. And this is what I love about the art community. I'm gonna go off on a tangent for a minute, but I just have to say this. What I love about this art community on YouTube is that we all work together. Everyone's so kind and supportive and helpful, and I love it. I really freaking love this community. But yeah, you work together, you support each other, and I really appreciate that. Jen was a part of my collab series back in March, which went so awesome. Thanks again, Jen. I'll link that playlist actually below if there's some of you guys that haven't seen that collab series. It was super fun. But yeah, I just wanted to throw that in there, that I appreciate you, girl, and I love this community. And moving right along, this was supposed to be a quick intro. But anyway, as you could see, I'm just throwing color on the sheets in any kind of shape or pattern. I feel like I'm really not thinking about it. I'm just kind of going with the flow. Like I said, these are so relaxing and so zen. You really don't have to think a lot. You just take whatever color floats your boat, throw it on there in whatever shape or pattern or whatever you feel like doing. And then after they dry, just take a pen and throw a little doodle on there. You'll see later on that the doodles I put on these were very simple and very quick. I used to want to throw everything on a page that I could when I first started mixed media. I think I've said this before, so this might be repetitive, but I used to want to throw everything on there, fill every piece of white space, and I really have come to love the simplicity of art and leaving a lot of white space and just having some pops of color. So that's pretty much what these are. Give them a try. If you lost some mojo and you want to get back into things, throw some color, put a doodle on there, and trust me, it'll get the mojo flowing. These were so freaking fun to make. But anyway, I'm not going to talk through this whole video. Like I said, this intro has become practically a voiceover for the whole video, but I'm done babbling. I'm done. Stay tuned to the end for the photos. They're always much prettier than the video. And I'll come back later with a little short outro. I will talk to you in a moment. Bye. Alright guys, this is it. They are done. This was so freaking fun. Frickin' must be the word of the day. I keep saying frickin'. At least I'm not swearing. But this was so fun. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, there's 3 more that could be sent out to the next 3 of you that buy some stickers, so check out the link below. But I hope you enjoyed it. I love you guys the most, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!